Hello. So this is going to be a very quick introduction to the Family Tree or Family Search Tree app. It is one of the best kept secrets, probably one of the greatest miracles of the modern cell phone age. And it's available for free right there on your phone. Now, if you don't have it already, go into Google Play Store or the App Store, click on that, and then type in Family Tree. And there will be a bunch of things that will pop up. But here is Family Search Tree on the upper right. We're going to download that. And as we download it, this, of course, all that you're about to see can be done on your cell phone as well, or on a computer. It'll just look a little bit different. But I'm doing this on a tablet. So as it slowly downloads, and this is one of the very best tools available today, in my opinion. So we're going to open this up. Of course, we'll need to sign in. And if you're a member of the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints, you probably already have a church account. You can just sign in using that account. If not, it's free to sign up, and no one's going to proselyte you tomorrow by doing that, so don't worry about that. So I'm going to sign in. This is one way to look at it. It's kind of like trees or branches of a tree. Let's click on someone, and we're just going to show a couple things, and then we'll go into more detail in a future video. But here's an interesting guy, Thomas Garlick Wakefield. What a name. Let's go with Thomas Garlick. He is my great-grandfather on my mother's side. So I'm going to click on him, and up comes some very basic information, which, by the way, there's a lot of information now. Someone else has put this in, or many people have put this in, and it's been linked together. Let's just click on memories, okay? And look at this. Whoa, I have not uploaded any of this. This is what people throughout the world have uploaded. Lots and lots of information. It looks like there's more below. There we go. Oh my goodness. Anyway, and look, he was found dead on a plow. My great-grandfather. Amazing. Let's go back to, I'm going to hit the back and go back to the pedigree chart. I personally prefer what's called the fan chart. And if you look at the lower right corner of the screen, there's this little settings thing. It may be different on your mobile device, but if you click on that, it now gives you an option to go the pedigree view or the fan chart view, which looks kind of like a brain or a peacock here when we open it up. And this is the fan chart view. Same thing, same information. By the way, I can make this little thing go away by clicking the settings button. And I can scroll, pinch in, pinch out, and make it bigger. Up at the top, you can see it's set for 5 generations. Now this is cool. I can take my finger and place it, not tap his name, but hold my finger on top of Thomas Garlick Wakefield's name, and up pops some options here. I'm going to say, let's view the tree for him. Now this is his personal fan chart. So he's in the middle there. And if I want to go more generations, I can click at the top there where it says 5 generations. I can click on that, and I can go all the way up to 7 generations for Thomas Garlick Wakefield. Now, obviously, we're missing some information here. That looks like future work, which could be a lot of fun. But here's something really cool. Now that I've got this exposed like that, let's go back to this settings button again. Click on that. And right now it's set for default. What if I just click on or tap on the birth country? Watch this. This gives me an idea of all these different countries. I can scroll up and down. They're color-coded as to where some of my family comes from. Well, we're not going to spend any more time on this today. This is enough for this video. But you can see there's a myriad of possibilities just by tapping on any of these little things that scroll across. If I want to see if there's very many photos for any of these people, I can just tap on photos, and it will show me color-coded where we have photos, and the darker it gets, the more the photos. And if I click on one of those now, it will show me under the memories section, photos. Look at that. So pretty cool. So this starts to make this relative, Eva Young, I've never met her. She died 130 years before I was born. It gives me lots of information. It makes her real and personal. So I just love this app. It's a great way to spend a few minutes of time on a Sunday or with family. What a great way just to get to know our heritage a little better. So I'm going to sign off now. We'll come back in a future video and talk more details about this wonderful app called Family Tree or FamilySearch Tree app. Amazing what you can do with this powerful, powerful app. Thanks. We'll see you soon.